Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping you create and grow a successful membership site. Today, we're diving into something pretty special, the 7 big benefits of offering premium content on your membership site. And some of these you might not have thought of. But before we get into that, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our future videos. Let's get started. Number 1, premium content increases interest. In the ocean of content out there, premium content is a kind of lighthouse beacon that captures the attention of your potential members. If your free content is filled with high-quality insights, your audience is already going to know that you provide valuable and relevant information. Naturally, they'll wonder what kind of exclusive content is hidden behind your paywall, and this can drive a lot of interest to subscribe. Number 2, it drives traffic. If you offer regularly updated premium content, your members will come to rely on your site for the latest news and information within your niche. Add the community element to this, and you have a recipe for a steady stream of traffic. This is because people love being part of an engaged community, and they tend to keep coming back for more. Number 3, it helps to grow your brand authority. By consistently providing high-value, in-depth content, you're showing your audience that you have real expertise in the topics that you cover. As they get more and more value from your membership, they're likely to stay loyal to you and maybe even rave about your content to others. This word-of-mouth advertising increases your reach and enhances your brand authority. Number 4, premium content can inspire credibility in your brand. But we just talked about brand authority, so what's the difference between that and credibility? Well, a brand with high authority is seen by others as a go-to resource. Your brand authority is established through expertise, experience, and high-quality content that shows a deep understanding of the subject matter. Brand authority gives a sense of reliability and trustworthiness that makes people more likely to listen to what you have to say. Brand credibility, on the other hand, is all about the trust and confidence that consumers have in your brand. Delivering high-quality premium content consistently over time contributes to this credibility. So it's not just about interest and traffic. As you continue to create high-quality content, your credibility in the industry naturally grows. After all, you're not just producing random content. You're generating valuable information that's worth your subscription price. Number 5, premium content simply generates more revenue. Remember, premium content isn't just about providing quality to your customers, which is important. It's also a revenue-generating powerhouse. You can offer monthly subscriptions, sell premium digital products, and even create different subscription tiers to offer even more benefits and expand your revenue further. Just think about things like one-to-one coaching sessions, exclusive video group chats, digital products at a discounted rate. Honestly, there are countless ways that you can monetize your premium content. The best part, this benefits everybody, yourself included. Number 6, it builds customer loyalty. When your subscribers realize they can rely on you for top-tier content, they tend to stick around. The value you give them saves them time, energy, and offers a unique perspective they might not find anywhere else. This kind of loyalty is what keeps your subscribers coming back and paying you on a regular basis. And it's what will help your brand grow in the long run. And number 7, premium content nurtures a sense of community among your subscribers. As they continue to engage with your content and with each other in member forums, they'll feel a sense of belonging, camaraderie, and shared understanding. It's your content that brings them together, and they appreciate the space you've given them to connect and engage. Who knows? You might even inspire people to create their own sub-communities, all based off of your content. How cool is that? Let's recap. The 7 big benefits to offering premium content on your membership site. It increases interest, drives traffic, grows your brand authority, inspires credibility, generates more revenue, builds customer loyalty, and nurtures a sense of community. Remember, the key to successful premium content is, of course, providing real, tangible value. It's more than just hiding content behind a paywall. It's about offering something that your subscribers can't get anywhere else, something that's really worth paying for. If you're considering adding premium content to your membership site, I encourage you to explore these benefits. It might just be the game changer that you've been looking for. Looking for the right plugin to sell subscription access to your premium content with WordPress? Here's Kim Coleman to explain why you should use Paid Memberships Pro.
Hey there, I'm Kim Coleman, and I'm co-founder of Paid Memberships Pro. Paid Memberships Pro is a free and open source WordPress membership plugin. For over 12 years, we've been helping creators like you monetize their content through a subscription model. We support sites like associations, courses, communities, podcasts, paid video sites, and more. Check out this software that's used on over 100,000 membership sites today.
To learn more about premium content membership sites, check out the links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.